Hello children, so I'm back again with a new topic from your literature book, that is poem, The Little Squirrel. This poem is written by Ron Mendrick. So let's begin. So first of all, I will recite the poem. But before reciting it, I want to tell you something about the poem. That this poem is about a little squirrel. Children, as you all know, that squirrel runs very fast. And this poem is about a squirrel which is very playful and it wants to play with the poet. Here in this poem, you will see that, you will observe that the poet has presented himself as a small girl, which you can see in this picture. Okay. So, this poem is all about the observation of the poet. Alright. So, now I will recite it. Little squirrel ran away to hide behind a tree. He shook his pretty tail with a happy smile at me. I chased him through the garden. He seemed to want to play. I laughed at how he hid from me. We could play all day. And then we sat to have our lunch of nuts and tasty pie. He ate his lunch up quickly. He laughed and so did I. By Ron Mendrick. Now I'll explain you. So here this is the first stanza. Little squirrel ran away to hide behind a tree. He shook his pretty tail with a happy smile at me. So here the poet describes the cute action and behavior of a squirrel. That little squirrel was running away to hide behind a tree. He shook his pretty tail. Shook means to move up and down and side by side. So a squirrel was shaking his tail out of excitement. Okay. With a happy smile at me means it seemed like he was squirrel was giving a beautiful smile to the poet. Okay. So squirrel shook his pretty tail with cheerful smile at the poet. Here the next stanza. I chased him through the garden. He seemed to want to play. I laughed at how he hid from me. We could play all day. So here in the next stanza, the poet says that I chased him. Chased means to go behind something, to follow someone. Okay. So here the poet followed squirrel through the garden. He seemed to want to play, and he observed that he wanted to play with him. Means squirrel wanted to play with poet. Okay. And it seemed also like they were playing a game like hide and seek. So here squirrel was eager to play with poet. I laughed at how he hid from me. We could play all day. So the poet laughed on seeing that the squirrel hiding from him. Okay, he laughed at squirrel that he was hiding from him. We could play all day and thought that they could play this way throughout the day. And then we sat to have our lunch of nuts and tasty pie. He ate his lunch up quickly. He laughed and so did I. Here the poet says that we both sat on a place. Means they both sat on a place to have their lunch. And what did they have? They had nuts and tasty pie. Pie means it is a kind of food which is made up of fruits and vegetables. Okay. He ate his lunch up quickly. Children, here the poet observed that squirrel ate his lunch very fast. Quickly means fast. So squirrel ate his lunch very fast and he laughed and saw means the poet saw that squirrel laughed at the poet and so did I. Means here poet also gave a smile to the squirrel. So this was the poem. This poem is all about the just observation of the poet. Okay. Now let's move on to the back exercise. A part, complete these sentences. So here the squirrel hid behind a tree. The squirrel wanted to play. The little girl and the squirrel had nuts and pie for lunch. B part, circle the words which are in the poem. As here you can see, words are given and words are circled also. So you have to circle the words, that means which are in the poem. Ran, smiled is also given in the poem. Shook, clapped is not in the poem. Hit, chased, ate, sat and laughed. Now C part. Here are three words from the poem. Find words from the poem that rhyme with these words. First word is tree. The rhyming word of tree is me, play, day, pie, I. D part. Write a word from the poem to describe each of the following. A little squirrel, pretty tail, happy smile and tasty pie. So you have to complete the back exercise. I hope you have understood the poem. So that's all for today. Thank you so